Have you ever asked yourself, why am I always broke? No matter how hard you work, no matter how many hours you put in, it feels like the money just disappears. Well, here's the truth. It's not always about how much you earn. It's about how you think, how you spend, and the habits you've been building without even realizing it. In this video, we're going to break down the main reasons people stay broke and, more importantly, what you can do to fix it starting today. Section 1. Common money mistakes. The first reason you might be broke is unconscious spending. You scroll through social media, see something flashy, and bam, another purchase. These little expenses add up faster than you think. Think about it. Just $5 a day on coffee or snacks is $150 a month. That's almost $2,000 a year. The second reason? Living above your means. You might be earning more, but your lifestyle keeps pace or even overtakes it. You buy more things in daily life than before, upgrade your gadgets or the newest phone, lease a car, and suddenly your paycheck disappears faster than it arrived. Third, not having a financial plan. If you don't know where your money is going, it's like sailing a ship without a compass. You might be working hard, but without direction, it's easy to drift into financial stress. Section 2. Mindset shifts to build wealth. Here's the part most people miss. Your mindset determines your money. Stop thinking short-term. Instant gratification is the enemy of wealth. Every time you spend impulsively, you're trading long-term security for a tiny temporary thrill. Think like an investor. Your money should work for you, not just vanish in bills. Learn to save, invest, or grow it through skills that increase your earning potential. Take responsibility. Stop blaming your boss, the economy, or luck. Wealth starts when you accept that your financial future is in your hands. And yes, mindset matters more than money itself. Section 3. Habits that keep you broke. Even with the right mindset, bad habits keep you broke. Procrastinating financial decisions. Don't put off budgeting or planning investments. Delay equals lost opportunity. Ignoring small leaks. That subscription you forgot about, the coffee habit, or repeated impulse buys. Tiny leaks sink big ships. Over-relying on one income source. If your only source is a job, you're limited. Diversify your income streams. Freelancing, side hustles, or investments can give you freedom. Fear of learning. Avoiding books, courses, or advice on money because it feels complicated is a trap. Knowledge compounds like interest. It grows your wealth silently. Section 4. How to start changing today. Now, here's the good news. You can fix it starting today. Track every dollar. Know where your money goes for at least 1 month. Awareness is the first step. Create a simple budget. Nothing fancy, just needs to keep your spending below your earnings. Automate savings. Treat it like a bill. Pay yourself first. Invest in yourself. Skills, education, health, and networking all improve earning potential. Change your story. Every day you repeat old habits, you reinforce your always broke story. Decide you're building wealth, not excuses. Your financial freedom starts with a single decision today. So, if you've been asking yourself, why am I always broke? Remember, it's not too late. Change your mindset, fix your habits, and take control of your money. Comment below, which habit are you fixing first? Yes, you made it all the way to the end. Congratulations. We're Bangalo, and our whole thing is helping you stay productive, assist you to build your brand, and on track to crush your goals. If you're vibing with this, hit like, drop a comment so we can chat, and of course, subscribe our channel so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming.